These are the regular Tomica Premium, Lexus LFA and Fiat 500, which was launched in last year July. And last month Tomica came out with another identical pair, and that is the Takara Tomy More Exclusive, which are available online and Tomica shops in Japan. Let's take a closer look at the Japan exclusive Fiat 500F. Being a very small casting in TLV, this Fiat 500 comes in a massive scale of 1:45. And because it's in 1:45 scale, it's good to hold on the hand and almost the same proportion as the rest of the Tomica Premium castings. In terms of details, it's quite close to the TLV, which is good, but unlike the TLV, it does not have any opening part, which is a big disappointment. And now to compare with the regular release, the specs is totally the same except for different color scheme. And I will also do a review shortly on the Universal Studios Japan version. Next is the Takara Tomy More Lexus LFA, which I'm very excited about. It's a very good call by Tomica Premium to produce this LFA in this finish. In terms of details, it's very impressive. You can see this casting is assembled with several components, such as the plastic rear and front light, including the spoiler, which is a big plus for a premium casting. It also comes with standard opening doors, but unlike a regular Tomica, it does not have any suspension. And when compared with the regular version, this black Lexus LFA is ultra sleek. The matte black finishing on this Lexus LFA is a very good call by Takara Tomy. This casting may also be the best looking Tomica Premium for 2019. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks everyone, bye!